This is number 13. If you begin with 20.93 grams of H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid, and 5.31 grams of ethanol, C2H5OH, how many grams of manganese 2 sulfate can be formed? And let's just underline everything and say organized. So I have 20.93 grams of H2SO4, which is right here. I have 5.31 grams of ethanol, which is right there. And I'm trying to solve for manganese 2 sulfate right there. So, and I encourage you to do this when you solve problems, which is either underline in different colors or write them out in different colors. Anything that helps you work through the problem is useful. And but otherwise, this is the same problem we've just worked on before. So now start with your grams of sulfuric acid. I have not figured out how to get rid of these spaces when I make these questions, so I apologize for that, but we're stuck with them. And I can tell you exactly how this is going to work. There's going to be a molar mass. There's going to be a mole to mole conversion, and then there's going to be another molar mass. And the first molar mass has to be the molar mass of my sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is going to be 2 hydrogens plus a sulfur plus 4 oxygens. I get 98.09. Where in general, molar masses have 4 sig figs and 2 decimal places. Please do not just use 98 here. Then a mole to mole conversion. This time I have 6 moles of sulfuric acid for every 4 moles of manganese 2 sulfate. And then to get back to grams of MnSO4, I need the molar mass of that. Manganese right in the middle here, 54.94, plus a sulfur, plus 4 oxygens, 151.01. Grams of manganese 2 sulfate per 1 mole. Let's go ahead and get this math completed this time. Now we have 20.93 divided by 98.09 times 4 divided by 6 times 151.01. I get 21.5 grams of manganese sulfate. Now on to my red reactant, C2H5OH. And we start with 5.31 grams of that. And if we did the molar mass, we would find it's 46.07 grams of C2H5OH. Then there are 5 moles of C2H5OH per 4 moles, 5 moles reacted for every 4 moles produced. And then this last step is going to be the same as above, 1 mole for 151.01 grams. I'm guessing that my sulfuric acid will be my limiting reactant. Just looking at the numbers. But let's multiply it out. 5.31 divided by 46.07 times 4 divided by 5 times 151.01. I get, what? Oh, no. Yeah, this should be my limiting reactant. Oh. Huh? I don't know. Turns out I get 13.9 grams of manganese sulfate down here. And this is my smaller amount. This is the amount that I can make of product. And that is my answer for this problem. And it doesn't have to be the smaller mass, because you can see there's a lot of math going between the masses that you start with and the product. Just so happened to be the smaller mass here, which I guess makes sense when now that I look at it. Any questions about